Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So the first thing you'll want to know is the letter syntax and how that works. So I'm not going to explain it in this video because you can just go watch my 3x3 video which explains that. So to see that, click right here. And carrying on, so the way we're going to solve it is we're going to solve the top layer, and then for the bottom layer we're going to get the corners in the right place and then orient them, and then the cube will be solved. It's that simple. So let's get on to solving. The first step is to scramble. Once you have scrambled, we will start solving the first side. So I normally like to start having the piece with the logo on it be my anchor piece, you could call it. So I start with white side up, so we're going to solve the white face first. So we got to find the other white corners because all the pieces are corners. So here's another white corner. This one is green and red. This, the one that's our anchor, is green, or not green, is red and blue. So they have a red in common, so we want to put them next to each other so their reds match up. So to move this to match up with that one, I'm just going to twist that over and twist it up, and then those two match, and they're together. So next we're going to find the other white corners, so they're both right here, and in this case, since they're both next to each other, I'm going to just spin that twice so we can get the whole face completed. Now if you had a corner that was rotated like this, and what you need to do then is you need to bring it down, then over, then put that back up, then bring it over again, move it up, move it out of the way, bring that down, or bring that back up, and then twist that over. And you got your first face done. So now onwards to the second layer. So for the second layer, first we're going to get the corners in the right place. So it doesn't matter like if the yellow side's up, we just want them in the right spot. So let's start with this corner because it happens to be in the right place. So we know the yellow because that's the bottom side here. Then blue and red, which matches up with the blue and red solved piece here. So this piece is in the right place. This one, blue and orange, they both match up. It's oriented correctly also, so that's in the right place. And all of these are in the right place. Now if you needed to switch a corner, like I need to do now, so as you can see, red and green, red and blue do not match up, and this one doesn't match up either, so I need to switch these two corners. So the formula for switching the two corners, if I can get this to get into the camera, so the formula for switching the two corners that are facing you is U prime, L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R. You can pause the video and copy that down if you want. So I'm just going to use that sequence, so we need to flip these two corners. And so what we do is U prime, L. So I started with the corners that need to be switched facing towards me. Then I do U prime, L, U, R, U, L, U, R. And then actually I forgot to put a U at the end of that. Again. So, or that's U prime. I'm so sorry guys, I'm a derp. So then your corners are all in the correct positions. Then we can get on to orienting them. So to orient each piece, I'm going to repeat the same formula on each of the cubies until they are oriented. So this formula rotates the cube in the towards you and to the right, and you just need to repeat it for every cube until it's oriented. So it's very simple. It is R prime, D prime, R, D. And then you just repeat that until your cubie that you want is oriented like that. And then, so you move to the next piece that needs orienting. So in my case, that's this one. So I just spin the top like that. But if this one was already solved and this one needed orienting, I just spin that twice, and same for the third one. But in my case, I need to do this one. So I do the same thing. Then I spin the top again and repeat. And for the last time. And then my cube's solved. You might need to rotate the top depending on how many cubies you had to solve. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.